How to change or delete music on Instagram post. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to change or delete music on Instagram post, you need to go ahead and open Instagram. Sign into your account. Go ahead and tap profile at bottom right corner and search for a particular post where you have already inserted music. So let's open and check whether we can change or delete music on Instagram post or not. So underneath my username you can see I have already posted this post with the music. When you tap on the music, you'll be able to use this audio. Come back, tap three dots at top right corner. Here you will see different options including edit. Tap edit. At top you will see add collaborators, location, AI label, but there is no option to change or delete music on this particular Instagram post. You can even write a caption, tag people, or edit all text, but not to change music on Instagram post. So from this we can know that there is no current feature that allows us to change or delete music on Instagram post once we have posted. So alternatively what you can do is using the same picture you can simply add a post using different kind of music or without music. So this is only the particular solution for this issue. So other thing what you can do is to subscribe our channel for the updates brought by Instagram, and from there you can know that how to change or delete music on Instagram post. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.